Okay. Hi, my name is Karis Varner. I'm from Dolores High School, and this was my 6 weeks at Scripps, a neuroscience center. My internship was at Harold L. Dorris Neuroscience Center in La Jolla, California, which is right by San Diego. I was part of a group that was looking at cells and mutations and stuff around the spinal cord and surrounding nerves. We also observed the effects of a cancer-treating pill on both adolescents and older mice, but mainly adolescents. And the answer that we got was blood clotting, weak immune system, and metabolism difference. Who was I with? I actually shared an internship with one of the other Pinterns here, Evan. You will find him in the audience. And I actually ended up with 2 different mentors. At first I was supposed to have 1, then plans changed, then I ended up with 2. Evan in the green arrow, Yi, our boss of the lab, is in the yellow, Ben is in the blue, pink is me, and Vernia is in the orange. She was my second mentor, Ben was my first, and yeah. What did I do? My task was to dissect and remove the needed organs from mice so we can look at all the effects of the nature bid. And I put them in vibraphones. I did some of my dissections under microscopes. And yeah. I also did gel electrophoresis for to get the cells and how to separate them. We got a little diagram with what's the components of it, and a final sheet. It works in a weird way because it pulls the cells downward, and it separates them into size from all what we need. Warning, I did work on mice. They are dead, but they're cut open, so if you don't like this grotesque content, please look away. I mainly did perfusion, then I got the separate organs, and that's just the perfusion process, and yeah. Okay, it's over. She told me to hurry through it, I hurried through it, yeah. What we kind of did is we had our first little celebration from one of my mentors. She published her first paper there, and it was a really cool little celebration, and we all had a fun time. What I did to free time, I went a lot out at night, because that's mainly when I had my free time. And I was in San Diego, La Jolla. There's going to be beaches. I'm going to go to the beaches. And I also went with some of my roommates who are also Pinterns, and we did some pretty cool things. I would like to say a special thanks to my mentors and PinEd Institute for not only getting me this internship, but also helping me with the finances that came with it. My biggest advice I would have for interns is if you struggle with money to a point where you don't feel comfortable enough where you'll be able to support yourself, ask. They'll help you. They gave me plenty of money. Where I was sitting there comfortably. And yeah.